As a creator, I've always relied on hard drives and SSDs for my projects, but we all know how quickly these drives actually fill up. So that's why I upgraded to a better long-term solution, an AI NAS from Zettlab. This is a 6-bay NAS with up to 148 terabytes of expandable storage. By far, my favorite feature of the NAS is the AI-powered search, which is an absolute game changer. I can type a keyword or even what's in the photo or video and it finds it instantly. Uploading is seamless. I can access my files from anywhere, and all my footage finally lives in one organized place, which means less time searching and more time creating.